Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to achieve salon quality nails from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best manicure tools to help you perfect your nail care routine. From cuticle pushers to foot files, we'll break down each product to help you choose the right tools for your needs. Let's dive into it. Kicking off our list at number 1, OPI Cuticle Pusher. The OPI Cuticle Pusher is a professional-grade tool designed to gently and efficiently push back the cuticles, making it a must-have for any manicure kit. With a sleek design and durable build, this tool helps maintain clean, neat cuticles that are essential for a flawless nail polish application. The dual-ended design allows you to use it for both pushing back the cuticles and cleaning the nail bed. Key features: the OPI Cuticle Pusher features a stainless steel head that ensures long-lasting durability. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip even during prolonged use. The tool also has a fine, tapered tip that makes pushing back cuticles easy, while the flat end is ideal for cleaning the nail surface. This tool is suitable for both professional and home use, providing salon-quality results. Benefits and usage. One of the standout benefits of the OPI Cuticle Pusher is its ability to prevent damage to the delicate cuticle area. By pushing back cuticles gently and precisely, it helps avoid any painful or harmful nicks, making the manicure process safer and more effective. Regular use can also help promote healthier nails by encouraging proper nail growth and minimizing hangnails. It's easy to use, just apply gentle pressure along the cuticle line and push back, leaving your nails looking clean and polished. Usability. The ergonomic handle makes it incredibly easy to maneuver the tool, even for those with little manicure experience. The lightweight design allows for precise control, ensuring that you can get to every corner of your nail bed without discomfort. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this cuticle pusher works well in both dry and softened cuticle conditions. Durability. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It resists rusting and is easy to clean, maintaining its sleek appearance over time. With proper care, it can serve you for years, making it a reliable investment for your manicure routine. In the second spot, we have Staleks manicure scissors. Staleks manicure scissors are known for their exceptional precision and craftsmanship, making them a favorite among professionals. These scissors are perfect for trimming cuticles, nails, and even excess skin. Whether you're looking for a tool to manage delicate cuticles or to tidy up your nails, the Staleks manicure scissors provide a precise, smooth cut every time. Key features. These scissors are made with high-quality stainless steel, which guarantees strength and durability. The sharp, curved blades are designed to follow the natural contour of your nails, ensuring that every cut is clean and precise. The ergonomic handle allows for a comfortable, non-slip grip, reducing strain during use and giving you total control over each trim. Benefits and usage. The key benefit of these scissors is their sharpness and ability to provide a perfect cut without tugging or tearing the skin. Ideal for both manicures and pedicures, they help you achieve smooth, clean edges around the cuticle and nail beds. They're especially useful for trimming dead skin around the nails, preventing hangnails, and maintaining healthy nail growth. Simply use them to gently trim around the cuticle area, following the natural shape of your nails for a seamless finish. Usability. The Staleks manicure scissors are designed for ease of use. The curved blades make it simple to get into the smallest corners, and the lightweight feel ensures that you can maneuver them without discomfort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these scissors are intuitive to use, offering precise control during each cut. Durability. Thanks to the high-quality stainless steel construction, these scissors are highly durable and resistant to rust or corrosion. They maintain their sharpness for extended periods, offering reliable performance with every use. With proper care, these scissors can last for years, making them a worthwhile addition to your manicure toolkit. Coming in at number 3 is the CND Cuticle Nipper. The CND Cuticle Nipper is designed for precision trimming of cuticles, hangnails, and excess skin around the nail beds. A favorite of both professionals and at-home users, this tool provides a clean, safe trim, leaving your cuticle area looking neat and tidy. Its ergonomic design and sharp blades make it a go-to choice for those seeking a high-performance nipper. Key features: the CND Cuticle Nipper features sharp, precision blades that are ideal for cutting through tough cuticle areas. The spring action mechanism allows for smooth, effortless cutting without applying excessive pressure. The ergonomic handles are comfortable and easy to grip, ensuring control during every trim. The 5mm jaw opening provides optimal maneuverability, making it suitable for detailed work. Benefits and usage: this tool's primary benefit is its ability to remove excess cuticle skin and hangnails with precision, making it essential for maintaining a neat and polished nail look. The sharp blades provide a clean cut without pulling or damaging surrounding skin, reducing the risk of irritation. To use, gently position the nipper around the cuticle area and squeeze to trim any excess skin. Regular use of the CND Cuticle Nipper helps prevent hangnails and promotes healthy nail growth. Usability: with its easy-to-grip handles and precise cutting action, the CND Cuticle Nipper is straightforward to use. The sharp blades ensure you get the job done quickly, while the spring mechanism provides additional ease and control. It's suitable for both professional use and at-home manicures, making it versatile and accessible for everyone. Durability: made with high-quality stainless steel, the CND Cuticle Nipper is designed to last. The sharpness of the blades is maintained through regular use, and the rust-resistant finish ensures the tool remains functional for years. With proper cleaning and maintenance, this nipper remains a reliable tool in your manicure kit for long-term use. And finally, at number 5, we have Amope Pedi Perfect Foot File. The Amope Pedi Perfect Foot File is an electric foot care tool that's designed to help you achieve soft, smooth feet with minimal effort. This foot file is ideal for removing tough, calloused skin and rough patches, providing salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. With its ergonomic design and powerful features, it's perfect for both professional and at-home use. Key features: the Amope Pedi Perfect Foot File features a rotating roller head that gently buffs away dry, calloused skin. It has multiple speed settings to suit your needs, ensuring customized care for your feet. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the cordless design makes it convenient for use anywhere. The file is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering up to 40 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of this foot file is its ability to remove rough, dry skin quickly and efficiently, leaving your feet feeling soft and smooth. It's ideal for anyone who struggles with calluses, cracked heels, or dry feet. To use, simply turn on the device and gently move the roller head across the areas with rough skin. The multiple speed settings allow you to customize the experience for your specific needs. Usability: the Amope Pedi Perfect Foot File is very easy to use. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the rotating head provides thorough coverage with minimal effort. The rechargeable battery ensures you don't have to worry about replacing batteries, and the lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Durability: built to last, the Amope Pedi Perfect Foot File is a durable and reliable tool. The motor is designed for long-term use, and the roller heads can be easily replaced when they wear down. The rechargeable battery is long-lasting, providing consistent power for each use. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best manicure tools. Whether you're looking to tidy up your cuticles, clean your nails, or pamper your feet, these tools will help you achieve salon-quality results at home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.